Unlock the power of targeted advertising by seamlessly integrating the Twitter pixel into your Shopify store. And watch those conversions skyrocket. First things first, head over to your Twitter ads account, navigate to the Tools section and select Events Manager from there. You'll want to click on Connect Data Source and choose Website. Now, give your pixel a memorable name, like My Shopify Store Pixel, and select Twitter base tag. This is where you'll find your unique pixel ID and the base tag code. Keep this handy, as we'll need it in a moment. Back in your Shopify admin, go to Online Store and then click on Themes from your current theme, select Actions, and then Edit Code. In the Theme Code Editor, locate the liquid file. This is the main template for your entire store. You'll want to paste the Twitter base tag code we copied earlier, just before the closing less than head tag. Carefully paste the entire code snippet you got from Twitter into that location. Remember, it's crucial to place it within the head section. Alternatively, for a simpler approach, you can search the Shopify App Store for a Twitter Pixel app. Many offer a user-friendly interface to connect your Pixel ID without directly editing code. Once your Pixel is installed, it's time to verify. Go back to your Twitter Ads Events Manager. You should see your Pixel status change to active, indicating successful installation and data collection. Now, as customers browse and buy from your Shopify store, the Twitter Pixel will send valuable data back to Twitter, allowing you to track conversions, retarget visitors, and optimize your ad campaigns for maximum ROI.